We'll return to our qualifying with Pro Stock, Gordon Liska and Billy Vose. Neither of those two are having much fun. Ron Clark Jr. takes his turn. Nice clean launch. Motor sounds crisp too. That's a good solid 720. Keith Freeman picks the front wheel up. Everything's sounding good. 756, that'll be the middle of the field. Rob Bond with a good hard launch. And 64, that'll put him in the back of the pack. Next up is Joe Koenig, who showed a great deal of promise down in Atlanta.
Tuned by Jeff Woody. Joe really stepping up his
Joe settling the clutch down. That's the whole purpose of doing that dummy launch.
Really found something. They've been doing some testing here in the Chicago area.
Joe's crew trying to make sure that everything, but everything, is as good as possible.
Getting all the help from his crew, Jeff Woody out there. Not sure
who knows what will happen on this Richmond track.
So
with the cool air that we have at the moment, it will certainly make more horsepower. That's a guarantee. But then that's the same for everybody.
So Joe Koenig, 3-stage light is on.
Joe gets a super launch. Looks like it will be a really good one. Joe Koenig has just laid down the fastest Pro Stock pass in history. Wow, what a pass. Let's take a look at that in slow motion. Just check out how smooth this is.
Very spectacular.
Now these guys have a real problem. They have to try extra hard. Team Frantz looking very strong on this one. Excellent, 719.
Last 5 years.
Paul Gast on his own qualifying here. That too is a very good launch. Oh, another superb pass.